Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing a few new accessories on my 2023 Harley Breakout. So without wasting too much time, let's quickly take a look at what I'm going to be installing today. So I have a new set of mirrors. These are custom profile Harley mirrors. I have an Empire Collection hand grips and a few Willie G accessories, derby cover, timer cover, and a fuel cap. So the first thing I'm going to install is a derby cover. What I did, just to kind of prevent excess oil spillage when I remove it, I put the jack under the bike and could just straighten it out. Don't really have to lift it, just kind of straighten it out and you should be good to go. Alright, derby cover's done. Let's go ahead and do a timing cover. Next up, mirrors. Next up, let's do the handle grips. The throttle's super simple, very straightforward. Basically, there's just two bolts that hold this housing in place, one at the top, one at the bottom. Remove it, the grip will slide right out, the new one will go on. On the left side, that grip is glued on. So we'll try to remove it without cutting it, and if it's glued on pretty tight and I can't just twist it off, then I'll cut it and rip it off that way. Basically smooth out the area and put the new grip on. There are grooves that will go in the housing, and I'll stop and I'll show you the way the grooves will have to go in place. All right. Alright guys, quick note, once you take the housing off, this thing doesn't move, so it makes it very difficult to remove the grip. So the easiest thing to do is to slightly loosen these two bolts that hold the master cylinder in place. Just loosen it up enough where now it starts to move. Also be mindful that the brake handle pushes on this button that, turns on and releases the brakes. So obviously be mindful of that, and that's about it. Alright guys, so these are the grooves that I told you about. They are pretty much, I don't know if you can really see this without more light, but there's a little notch here, and there's another little notch here. You probably can see this one a little bit better. Let me see if I can focus right there. So there's a notch on this side and there's a notch on this side. Goes into this little groove, right? So it rotates, so just kind of set it equal distance on both sides. That way the Harley logo is facing you. Same thing as on the other side. Okay, and I also had to loosen up these two bolts to get this housing on properly. Okay. Alright guys, so that was a quick install video of the new accessories on my 2023 Harley Breakout. As always, if this video was useful to some of you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. See you guys soon. Take care.